Hi, this is our G-Flex 650K repair kit. Let's have a look at what's in the box. Comes with a bottle of the G-Flex 650 resin and then the G-Flex 650 hardener to go with it. You get two syringes, 2 mixing cups and 2 pairs of gloves, 2 mixing sticks, and a pot of adhesive filler for thickening the product for adhesive applications. G-Flex 650 epoxy is excellent on various materials. One of the applications this product was developed for was for sealing rivets on aluminium boats where the steel rivets and the aluminium panels expand and contract at different rates. Warming this resin and hardener, putting it into a syringe and dribbling it around those rivets is an excellent way of sealing those holes up. It doesn't just have to be boats, there's also aluminium on camper vans, caravans, cars, etc. So anywhere where you've got aluminium or you're trying to work with dissimilar materials, this product is excellent because of its higher elongation.